All right.
Okay.
Which one do you have? Blue one. We're sorting M&Ms, and he will get to have some as a snack, or a treat, should I say, when he's finished.
Mom, I did it.
You did do it. You can see he's had one now. He's got blue running down his face.
Hey,
But
Mom,
I thought this was fun. I actually had these. Oh, that went in the wrong one by accident. I had the M&Ms. Hey, awesome. You're welcome. I had the M&Ms actually to help with a potty, and he oh no, oh no, that's not right. Look at that one again. Look. This is brown. Where's the brown one go? And they weren't really working for the potty. So I just decided to do a little sorting game out of M&Ms. So yeah, I know it's sugar and probably not very healthy, but it's something fun. And it's not like we do this every single day. Actually, this is the first time I've ever done it. So anyways, I just thought I would show you guys what we were doing. Can you say bye? Noah, can you say bye? Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.